Alright, right now this is Mike Mano Productions. I'm going to show you a tutorial how to fix your iPod Touch when it won't charge. This is what happened to me. My mom asked to borrow my iPod because she wanted to check her POF profile and wanted to message her skanky friends. So I gave her my iPod. Gives it back to me a couple days later. Found out it won't charge. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to charge your iPod Touch when it won't charge. There's a few steps to this process. Step number 1, just don't get mad, just be calm. Fuck you.
You guys turn it around.
Oh, you're fucked now. You motherfucker. Let me take a shit real quick. I cut that shit.